In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, chatbots have emerged as transformative tools, changing how we interact with technology. Among these cutting-edge AI systems, Claude AI stands out as a remarkable innovation. Developed by Anthropic, a company founded by former OpenAI employees, Claude AI represents a significant leap forward in conversational AI. Named after the renowned mathematician and father of information theory, Claude E. Shannon, this AI chatbot embodies the principles of intelligent and meaningful communication. Claude AI's arrival marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of chatbots, promising to redefine human-computer interactions. Its development is rooted in a deep understanding of language models and a commitment to creating AI systems that are both powerful and ethically responsible. Anthropic's vision for Claude AI is ambitious, to build a chatbot that is not only intelligent but also safe, unbiased, and aligned with human values. The development of cutting-edge AI technology like Claude AI requires significant financial backing. Recognizing its immense potential, major tech giants like Amazon and Google have made substantial investments in Anthropic, fueling the growth and advancement of Claude AI. Amazon's investment, totaling $8 billion since 2023, highlights the company's belief in Claude AI's ability to revolutionize various industries. This strategic partnership also grants Anthropic access to Amazon Web Services, providing the robust cloud infrastructure necessary for training and deploying Claude AI's sophisticated models. Google, another tech titan, has also recognized the transformative potential of Claude AI. The search giant initially invested $500 million in Anthropic, followed by plans to inject an additional $1.5 billion, signaling a strong commitment to advancing conversational AI. These significant investments underscore the industry's confidence in Claude AI's ability to reshape how we interact with technology. Claude AI's capabilities extend far beyond those of a typical chatbot. It excels in a wide range of tasks, showcasing its versatility and advanced language processing abilities. From writing creative content and generating different kinds of creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, and more, to providing comprehensive customer support, Claude AI proves to be a valuable asset in various domains. Its ability to retrieve information efficiently and engage in natural and coherent conversations makes it an ideal tool for research and information gathering. Claude AI is also proficient in translating languages, transcribing and analyzing images, summarizing large volumes of text, and providing insightful answers to complex questions. Its availability on multiple platforms, including web browsers and iOS and Android apps, ensures accessibility to a wide range of users. Section 4, Safety and Ethics, the cornerstone of Claude AI. Unlike some AI chatbots that prioritize functionality over ethical considerations, Claude AI is built with a strong emphasis on safety and alignment with human values. Anthropic recognizes the potential risks associated with AI and has taken proactive steps to mitigate them. One of Claude AI's key differentiators is its commitment to constitutional AI. This approach involves training the AI system using ethical principles derived from documents like the UN's Universal Declaration of Human Rights. By grounding Claude AI in these fundamental values, Anthropic aims to create a chatbot that is inherently ethical and unbiased. This focus on safety and ethical alignment is paramount in today's digital landscape, where concerns about AI bias and misuse are growing. Claude AI's commitment to these principles makes it a trustworthy and reliable AI companion. Section 5. The future of conversational AI. As Claude AI continues to evolve, its future appears bright, poised to revolutionize how we live and work. Its ability to understand and respond to complex queries, generate creative content, and adapt to different conversational styles makes it an invaluable tool for various industries. In customer service, Claude AI can handle a high volume of inquiries, providing instant and personalized support. In education, it can assist students with research, writing assignments, and language learning. Healthcare professionals can leverage Claude AI to access medical information, analyze patient data, and improve diagnostic accuracy. The possibilities are limitless, and as Claude AI becomes more sophisticated, its impact on our lives will undoubtedly grow. Claude AI's journey is just beginning, but it has already established itself as a formidable force in the world of conversational AI. With its unwavering commitment to safety, ethics, and user-centric design, Claude AI is poised to shape the future of how we interact with technology, making it more intuitive, meaningful, and beneficial for all.